In this workshop held in Ghana, we worked together with fishers to build biodegradable, non-entangling jelly FADs from start to finish. We began with a short introduction on the whiteboard, explaining the goals of the session to learn how to construct practical and fully biodegradable FADs using simple tools and local materials. Then we moved to the practical part. Using bamboo as the main structural element, we explained why it is essential to perforate every cane and remove its internal walls. This allows the bamboo to fill with water once at sea, helping the structure to achieve neutral buoyancy, so it drifts naturally with the current, just like a jellyfish. After preparing all the canes, we started assembling the cube, the main submerged structure of the jelly FAD. Participants aligned and joined the bamboo pieces, testing different ways to connect and secure the corners. Once the frame was stable, we attached the canvas panels to the sides. Another team prepared the main rope that connects the entire system, linking the submerged cube with the surface raft and the flotation component, recycled corks from the Purse-seine net. We also built the raft using bamboo poles and natural floats such as cork or clay components, avoiding any synthetic materials. Because several jelly FAD designs are currently being tested, we built 3 models during this session, 2 cubic ones, assembled using slightly different corner joints, and 1 cylindrical design. This allowed us to compare their construction methods, weight, and resistance, and to discuss which might be best suited for local conditions. Finally, we brought all the parts together: the cube or cylinder, the connecting line, the raft, and the floats. By the end of the day, participants had built complete biodegradable FADs with their own hands, understanding every step of the process, from the choice of materials to the final assembly. This workshop not only demonstrated that sustainable net-free designs are feasible, but also strengthened local capacity to build and adapt jelly FADs using available resources. Together, these efforts contribute to reducing plastic pollution and promoting more responsible FAD fishing practices across tropical tuna fleets.